Well, hello there. Welcome back to Trev's Travels by Narrowboat. With the wood store on the roof of the boat getting low, it's time to go off and do some more foraging for some more wood and do some logging. I only ever pick up dead wood or wood that's been cut down by the CRT. So here we go. I'm going to be meeting Scott. He's off the pale blue boat, just coming up into shot here. We're going to go foraging. On the way past, we're just passing drifting cruisers. Well, I am just passing drifting cruisers. And they're about Boo. It's being blacked. You see Boo in another video of mine. We need to go the wrong direction first to turn around to where we're actually going to go and get the wood from. Not filming much coming in this direction. We've seen all this area before, so I'm just sort of filling in a few gaps. Keeping warm on the boat. Well, look at this for a pile of logs. My friend Scott and I been busy. Went foraging a couple of days ago. Sawn it up yesterday. And we have wood stacked up all the way alongside the boat here. Stacks everywhere. There's some cold weather coming up, and we intend to stay warm. We probably have about a cord of wood, I'm guessing, between us. And we have a couple of rather large pieces left to saw up. I can't get these on my table saw. Well, it was just a very short video this week. It was going to get some firewood and sawing it up, as you saw. I didn't actually film when was actually foraging the wood or sawing it up. It was actually drizzly rain all the time, so I didn't want to get the cameras out in it. And also, because it was raining, we wanted to get on and get it done as quick as possible. So that made it very difficult with the rain, and if we start filming, it would have slowed us down a lot. So I opted not to do any of the filming of actually getting the wood itself. I can assure you it is all properly foraged, and we actually found most of it was a ash tree that had fallen down across the canal and had been cut up and left on the side by the CRT. All the bigger bits had already been taken, but the smaller parts had all been left on the towpath, so that's what we foraged. We've got plenty of wood now to keep warm for the next few days when it's predicted we will have snow. I want to thank all my Patreons and all my PayPal supporters. Your help is very, very much appreciated. Your help helps me to bring these videos to you. That just leaves me to say, thank you very much for watching. Trevor out.